Why is it a good idea to have a video on your website? Think about your prospect. They buy emotionally. Then they justify that decision logically. We all do. We're genetically wired that way. Let me explain. Picture a hypnosis session. The classic scene is the hypnotist gently swinging a pocket watch whilst softly talking to their client. By distracting the conscious mind, the hypnotist gets to talk to the patient at a much deeper level, all the time building trust. Similarly, a whiteboard video entertains the conscious mind just like the swinging watch, allowing your audio message to be heard subconsciously. Don't worry, we can't make you do anything you don't actually really want to do. When your prospect fails to buy your products or services, it's because 1. They don't want what you offer. 2. They can't afford what you offer. 3. They don't trust you or your solution. 4. They don't trust that your solution will work for them. If you have a reasonable product and are competitive, then you have 1 and 2 covered. So all your marketing needs to do is develop that trust. When people brag about what they do, we are naturally skeptical. It's hardwired. It's what kept us alive in the wild thousands of years ago. Yet, if instead of talking about yourself, your products, and your services, you focus on their problems and can really describe how they feel right now, then you will establish trust. They know exactly how they feel, and if you can demonstrate that you understand that too, then trust comes from, hey, these guys really get me. With a whiteboard animation, you focus on your prospect's emotions. How do they feel? The frustration and the pain. Get in contact today to see how a whiteboard video can help you establish trust and generate inquiries.